Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or the on active status on Instagram. To turn off or on your active status on Instagram, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to open your Instagram app, and what you have to do is on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Go there, and after you reach to your profile, on the top right corner there's a three-line icon. Tap there again, and from here you need to scroll a bit down and you need to go to the messages and story replies of the how others can interact with you. Select that, and after you select that you will see an option that says show activity status. Select that as well, and now we could see we just toggle on this option, and this means that you are turned on your activity status. But if you want to turn off, simply toggle off this option like this, and you just turned off your active status. And if the switch is gray, your active status is off, but if it's blue, your active status is on. And that's it, your active status will now be turned off or on based on your preference. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.